Hello everybody, and welcome back to the shop. Got my edge trimmed off here. This is the part I trimmed off. I'm going to glue wood on the back of it. See, just because I don't have a nice clean edge back there. And I want a nice clean edge, a little bit around it. Did some practicing on how I was going to bend that piece of wood. That's what I came up with. I got that piece of the end, I soaked it in some really hot water. Put some weight on it, stuck it outside and let it dry. Now, I'm going to attempt to glue it on there. And I figured this might be kind of interesting for y'all to watch. So, if I start cussing, things went wrong. Alright, okay. Got me some 15-minute epoxy mixed up, some baking soda, little cotton flock, nice little concoction. Okay, I'm going to make me a little pastry bag so I can get me a nice even little glue joint. Okay. Okay. We got to work semi-fast. I figured this would be a little faster than just putting it on there with the spreader. Just going to put on a nice bead and let it ooze out. Alright, man, remember, don't throw these pastry bags in your trash with wet epoxy in them. Them things get hot when they set off. Throw it on a concrete floor. Something until it sets up. That's your tip of the day. Okay. Oh, that worked nicely. See how that bent? That worked pretty nice. Alright, before I get to bragging too much, we got to get busy. Okay, let's go ahead and tape this end right there. Alright. Alright. I just kind of want to hold it in place. Then I'm going to get my clamp. I have it pre-adjusted. Slack. Cinch her down. Yeah. I am, that's just beautiful. Man, I love it when a plan comes together. Now that's going to give me a nice even arc across the back. Man, that's going to work out nicer than I hoped. Now put me some tape the rest of this on there. Pour her into that glue really good. Man, that would have been hard to get two wings perfectly identical. You know, the way these wings are made, without doing it like this anyway. You know, because they're such odd shaped. Man, by golly, I believe that's going to work. Huh. Now, I'm going to let that sit right there for a little while. Clean this epoxy off my arm. Now, figured I'd have to fight that a little bit. Guess what, people? I got in my 64th inch tape. And man, that stuff is so thin. There's a little piece over there. That's like the width of a hair. That's going to be fun putting on. But we can hang. We can do it. We can do it. You know we can. We can do anything we want. All we gotta do is put our mind to it. You know? We can build anything we want. We can do anything we want. You know? You just gotta have the will. You gotta want something bad enough. You know? And you can make it happen. Oh, I'm going to let this set up, and I'm going to take that strap off, and that one's going to go boing. Oh, I hope not. Nah, I think it'll work. Sure hope so. Now I can put watch that big old feet. I can put my end piece on. I'm just going to have to build it up. I got some 1/2 inch balsa. I'll put a couple, 3 layers there. Sand that to shape. Then I'll fill that, and then I'll put me some resin and some glass on that exposed wood. Then I can start priming. Man, I'm going to have this piece ready to mold tomorrow. I ain't gonna put any panel lines or anything on it. I'm just gonna get her slick. And this ain't far from it, you know, where I put that fill ply, that's ready to go. Fill that seam. It won't be bad. A couple coats of primer, a little bit of sanding. We'll have that thing slicker than a slug on a wet rock. I like to use these little cups as much as I can. Man, that stuff's already setting up. Be careful where I put that. Remember about them pastry bags, people. I have never seen one even smoke. I've seen them just get so hot you couldn't touch them, but don't throw them in your trash can. I just chuck them on a place on the floor. And where if it does spontaneously combust, it ain't gonna catch something on fire. And tomorrow I'll pick that up, throw it in the trash can. But that's it for this episode of Bob TV. Tune in later for another exciting episode. Same Bob time, same Bob station. This episode of Bob TV was broadcasted in Finalizing. This is a drama-free zone.